Wait, am I in trouble? This is my first hour in Los Angeles.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please turn off the engine and put your hands on the wheel.
My vacation is a nightmare. Do you want to see why? Let's go back.
Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not sure. Was I fast?
You were driving 50. This road is 35. That is too fast.
I'm sorry. I didn't see the sign.
I'll give you a warning. Drive safely.
Finally arrive at the city. I need a bottle of water. I'll be back in 1 minute. What? No! Stop! That is my rental car! Why are you taking it? I didn't see the sign. This is not my day. How do I get it back? Now I have to walk to the police station. Los Angeles is so big and hot. I need my car.
How much is the fine?
It is $200. $200? This is a very expensive water bottle. I have my car back. Now I want to check in and sleep.
Welcome. May I see your booking?
Here is my reservation.
I'm sorry. We do not have a room for Emma.
But I paid online.
Look, room 402, king bed, 3 nights.
Oh, the system is down. I found it. Room 402. But the elevator is broken. Use the stairs.
4 floors? This is not a vacation. This is a workout. Finally! Wait, why is it so hot? The AC is not working. Hi, room 402. The AC is broken. I'm melting here!
It's broken. I can't fix it tonight. I'll bring you a fan.
I'm so hungry. I'll order room service. Let's see the menu. I want a burger and a cold soda. Please make it fast. Is this a joke? This is a baby burger! And where is my soda? Shh. The nightmare is over. Today is a new day in Los Angeles. Let's review. Fine. Tow truck, check-in. Repeat after me. Elevator, AC, reservation. Very good. Have you ever had a nightmare vacation? Tell me in the comments. If you like this story, please subscribe for day 2. See you soon. Loss? I can't say it!